Hello everyone! In the next few seconds, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing Discord on Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and easy tutorial. On the browser or to download Discord for Windows. You can either click the Download for Windows button, select a location for the file to be saved, and click the Save button. Once the download is complete, minimize your browser and make sure to launch Discord in your browser. Discord installs quickly on computers, as you can see by double-clicking the installer file to start a setup. That's all there is to it. It's really that easy. Just wait for Discord to download again. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.